Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wealthsimple how to convert CAD to USD. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can convert CAD to USD in Wealthsimple Trade using their USD account feature. So what you need to do is head over and open up your Wealthsimple app, and once you're there, what you need to do is head over and then tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now once you are here, you'll be seeing an option that says trading settings. Then what you need to do is enable USD accounts. Now once you do that, deposit the money into your Wealthsimple Trade account in CAD, then navigate to the Trade tab once again, and then search for USD listed stock or EFT, example Apple or Tesla, and then tap on the selected option and then tap on buy, and you'll see an option to convert your CAD into USD. All you gotta do is tap on confirm the exchange rate and accept the conversion. After converting, your balance will remain in USD and you won't pay FX fees on future USD stock purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.